So this is how you can use Pages on your iPad. Let's get started. So Pages is the equivalent of Microsoft Word developed by Apple. It is available on basically all of the platforms, like you can have it on your Mac, iPhone, and iPad as well. So it should be built in by default, but if not, you can always just get it back from the App Store. Once you open it up, you can see this page where you can start writing or choose a template. When you click on the template, you have so many different ways and things which you can just keep on changing, right? So you have certificates, you have business cards, you have cards and events, you have newsletters and posters and many different things you can tweak, right? So you can just do that and edit one, or you can also just start writing and essentially begin an empty document. Now, this is a document which you can format the usual methods, right? So you can add in a title, you can tweak some settings in here, and yeah, there are so many different things which you can change inside of the settings, right? So you have the edge guides and you have the center guides and auto correction and plenty of different things which you can do, right? At the top you have graphs, objects, and images, which you can click on and add them into your document. So yeah, you can go ahead and just start writing a text. It's not really that complicated, right? Whenever you type a word, you can just double tap on it to select it. Then you can format it in a very different way. Like you can make it bold, italic, underline. You can also just highlight it or leave a comment. So some things which are kind of basic, you might say, but it is a Pages Word document editor. So it is basically how you can just type in. It's not supposed to be fancy or whatnot. So you can add the elements, and as I said, and it's just going to work that way, right? So yeah, at the bottom you also have another tab of controls where you can just tweak some different things and font size and whatnot. But you also have one which allows you to add page count, page number, column break, and line break, comments, and a bunch of different things, right? So many different features you can explore. But once you are done, you can click on the share icon and export this finished document, right? So you can export it and it's just going to be saved inside of the Files app, right? So you can also just pick the file type you want to export it as. So you have the PDF, Word, EPUB, plain text, and more. So anyways, that's it. That's a basic guide on how it kind of works. Perhaps I might make more videos about it, so stay tuned on this channel. Make sure you subscribe to it so you never miss any future updates and whatnot. But I will most likely keep making more videos about the Pages on the iPad. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials in the future, and I'll see you in the next one.